Hey, and welcome to another Breathwork tutorial. Today I will cover Visama Vritti, which is, I think, a progression of Vritti. So if you have not checked out the Vritti tutorial, box breathing, or also known as square breathing, go do that first and get familiar with that practice. Practice it for a while, and then once you feel good with that, you can come to this video, Visama Vritti, which is the uneven breath. So instead of doing the inhale, the hold, the exhale, the hold, all the same count and the same length, in this breath work today it's uneven. So the ratio is 1, 4, 2, 1. So that means the inhale is the ratio 1, then the hold at the top is 4 times longer than the inhale. Then your exhale is 2 times longer than your inhale. And then the hold at the bottom is again the same length as your inhale. You will only do one length in this practice, so we're not progressing and making it longer and slower as in Visama Vritti. We will be doing 5 seconds inhale, 20 seconds hold, 10 seconds exhale, and then 5 seconds hold at the bottom. Make sure you're comfortable. Get a pillow or a bolster to sit on, maybe on a block. Sit nice and tall. Close your eyes whenever you're ready to begin. Just notice the body, what is touching the ground. Lengthen out through the spine more. Feel the air coming in and out through the nose. Invite all the other sensations as well. Your taste, your smell. What can you hear besides my voice? And the feeling of your own body. Feel the air coming in and out through the nose. Relax. Breathe more into the belly. Notice the belly move forward with your inhale and back with your exhale. The intention for your practice today is to simply breathe, to do your best, and to not force anything. It's a practice of patience. If you keep showing up, if you keep breathing, you will get there. You will eventually gain more control over your breath and therefore over your life. With the breath you control the life force energy, your own energy levels within your body. And by being able to control that, it's a very, very powerful tool. Let's take a deep breath in all together. Exhale all the air out. Let's begin the practice. Start to inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start to exhale for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top. 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more together. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the body. Exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start to inhale on your own. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 20 seconds. Now you know the drill, you know the count. Just keep going on your own. After that 20-second hold at the top, it's a 10-second slow exhale. And then a 5-second hold and a 5-second inhale. I will join you now for the next 3 or 4 rounds, so we are again breathing together. Thank you for breathing with me today. Just do your best, relax your body, it's all good. If this is challenging, it's supposed to be challenging. It's a strong breathwork practice. It gives you lots of control over your breath and your own energy levels, especially with that hold. It's not something we usually do a lot in day-to-day life. But you will see, it will get easier. Just keep showing up, keep practicing. Let's do a couple more rounds together. You just keep counting in your head. Again, to repeat, it's a 5-second inhale, 20-second hold, 10-second exhale, 5-second hold at the bottom, and then you repeat the whole cycle. Let's do one more round on your own. Take your time, there's no rush. Just complete your current round or do one more extra, it's all good. After you did your 5-second hold on the exhale, then you come back to a normal breath. Just in and out through the nose. Feel the body again, feel the breath even more. Notice any differences in the breath. Just feel in. Visama Vritti, this breathwork today, just like the other ones here on this channel, is part of my daily breathwork routine, which is about 45 minutes long, and I sequence about 4 to 5 different breathwork exercises together in a certain order for me to set me up very energized and connected for the day. Just keep practicing this breathwork from this video today. Know it takes time to get the control over your breath and over your own energy, and to kind of tune in and feel in if this breathwork feels good for you, what time of the day feels good for you. I highly recommend doing this one and all the other breathwork practices really before your meditation practice or before your movement practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep breathing, and I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.